stream that might be many of you might not be knowing about that. So it's that particular case, and I'm really very sorry for the inconvenience which is caused to you people because of me. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me just quickly read on the live chat here. um, Hi Asha Food Products, welcome to this live stream. Hi Nikhil, welcome to this live stream. Nikhil, good to have you here. So hope you are doing well. You can let me know as well that how are you people doing, and how's the weather at your ends. Okay, a very good evening, Kirti. So yes, you people can let me know at your ends that how's the weather today, and how's the day going, and how are you actually doing out. Right, we'll be starting the live stream in a very short while, in just 4 to 5 minutes. Just till that time, everyone joins in. Okay, thank you so much, Asha Food Products, for understanding. Thanks so much for understanding out. Um, Swastik, okay, hi, Swastik. Hope you are doing well. Yeah, Swastik, thank you so much for asking out. I'm doing very good, Swastik. Thanks for asking. Asha Food Products, हमारे यहाँ भी बारिश हो रही है. Oh, great. It's happening at many of the places right now, right? Just like that, yeah. So cool. Very nice. Great. So yeah, just because of that rain and that sort of things, the storm and the internet connection got a little bit disconnected, and due to that my previous live stream got automatically ended. So right away I've started this new live stream, so you can just inform in your friends as well if they were like trying to join in a live stream. So you can just take 1 minute and inform them about that, okay, the new live stream has started on, and if they want they can just join in this particular live stream. Okay, Nikhil, no worries, it's completely fine. Nikhil, if you're a beginner, no such worries into that perspective case, because it's like the project which today I'm gonna do, that will be a sort of a project into which your beginners can as well like, it's not gonna be any thick into project or anything like that. It's gonna be at a sort and simple project which absolutely you can do it into this particular live stream today. Okay, and at any sort of point if you have any questions, so please put that down right away there into the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer that out for you. Okay. Okay, Swastik, good to hear that out. Hi Rishabh, Kirti ma'am, बारिश related कोई project कराइए. Okay. Sure, it's not related to barish, that not related to that rain today, the project which we're gonna do, but yeah, for sure this project is gonna be very much interesting, and it's a sort of the things which we're including into this project, so with that things each and every person is familiar about. So it means that it is some of the general kind of thing which we are gonna put it up here into this particular project. Okay, general means the things, if like it can be if you watch that out somewhere or some things like that, right? It's gonna be our sort of general project. So let's wait for next very short duration, and we'll be starting on our project. Okay. Nikhil, please do live every day. Sure, Nikhil, I'm just planning some things related to that, and sure, as soon as the things are completely planned on and the things are completely worked out, sure, I'm gonna do that onto the daily basis as well, live streams. Okay, sure, I'm gonna consider this point of yours, and I hope that very soon we will be doing up the live streams on the daily basis. Okay, and I'm really happy to see that you are enjoying these live streams and you want me to do the live streams every day. So yeah, for sure this will be done as soon as possible. Okay, Kirti, how was Amritsar workshop? Yeah, Kirti, that was a very nice workshop. Don't know, like many of you must not be knowing about that. Let me tell you. Recently, I had done a workshop. I traveled to Amritsar for doing a workshop there in the Khalsa College of Engineering and Technology. and that workshop was on Python bootcamp. That was sort of a Python bootcamp, right? So there we had discussed lots of things regarding Python and some things regarding my journey and some of the things related to the LinkedIn, the use and the things. So yeah, it was a really wonderful workshop, and if you want to take up some glimpse of that workshop, so please go onto my channel, click over the videos option, and there you will get to know, and you'll be finding a vlog. Okay, that vlog I have uploaded yesterday night only, and that is related to my complete Amritsar trip, from traveling and whatsoever I have done and everything like that. So yeah, you can just please watch out that respective vlog, and let me know as well. Okay, आप अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए कुछ लाए हैं क्या वहाँ से? Not like that actually, but yeah, I had taken some pictures, I had taken some snapshots, some videos for my viewers. So उसके लिए I had already put up a vlog on my channel. उसके लिए मैं already एक vlog डाल चुकी है अपने channel पे, और link आपको यहाँ पे मिल गया है comment section में ही. So you can just check out this particular vlog, and into this मैं अपने viewers के लिए जो भी वहाँ से pictures और जो भी snapshots, जो भी short videos या जो भी videos लेके आई थी, मैंने सारे के सारे इस particular vlog में combine करके put कर दिए. ठीक है? So hope that's gonna you'll be enjoying watching out this particular vlog as well. Thank you so much, Kirti. Thank you so much for that. Nitish, Hindi language. Nitish, I would just try to take both of the languages, Hindi and English, both. Okay, because completely Hindi I cannot actually take that, because might be there are some viewers who are not completely understanding the Hindi language, right? So I would just take up a mix up of both of the languages. And Nitish, wherever you're not able to understand any of the respective things, you can specially let me know. I would just repeat that thing for you in Hindi language as well. Okay? Hope that works out, Nitish. Nikhil, your class was very good. I'm your big fan. Thank you so much from Nikhil for that. These types of comments of you all actually really motivate me to do much and much more good content, bring out some very cool stuffs for you all, so that you can use those tricks or whatever the content I'm sharing with you, you can use that, and that can be helpful for you people. So thank you so much, Nikhil, for that. Yeah, that's a sort of English, absolutely right. Okay. Great, we had a long discussion, around I guess 5 to 10 minutes of discussion. We already had it, so let's a little bit talk about our project which we are gonna do up today. That same Kirti we are gonna talk about here. Okay, so today's project is gonna be a sort of I'm not gonna add any Tkinter project today, any GUI project is not there today, because since all of my live streams, I had done around 17 or 18 live streams up till now, and in almost all of those live streams I had taken the GUI projects. So now today I'm not gonna take out any GUI project. Today I would let you know that how you can extract some information from any respective type of data, or from any respective type of library. This is the today's project. Okay, so if I talk in very simple words about the project name of today's, so today we'll be seeing that how we can extract any respective information of any respective movie with the help of Python programming language. Might be some of you are thinking, is that really possible? So let me tell you, yes, that's completely possible. You can actually extract all information respective of any of the movie according to your choice. Whatever the movie is your favorite, you can extract the information regarding when was the year it was launched, then the name for the actors and the actresses, the name for the directors who directed that movie, or the title, the real title of that movie, the cast of that movie. So into this particular manner, you can just simply extract all the information. Right, so today I'm going to let you know something very different. okay, because this thing is a sort of a very different thing that you are gonna do it today, that you're gonna make up this sort of project today. So it's really very sort of a different project which we are gonna do it today, and really you'll be enjoying this a lot. Okay, so Swastik, I just told you that today's Python project topic is gonna be that I'll be letting you know that how you can extract the information of any movie with the help of Python programming language. Okay. Hi Tony, welcome to this live stream. Hope you are doing well. Okay, great, Keiti. Yes, it sounds interesting. Absolutely, and really, when you're gonna implement this as well, it's gonna be very, very, very much fun. नीतीश इंग्लिश हिंदी बोथ लैंग्वेज आशा नीतीश सो नीतीश आज के प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोग कुछ ऐसा करेंगे कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन में कुछ लाइब्रेरीज़ की हेल्प से मैं आज आपको ये बताने वाली हूँ कि जैसे कोई भी लाइब्रेरी है तो उस लाइब्रेरी में अगर कोई आपका डेटा ऑलरेडी है तो उस डेटा को आप कैसे एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो उस रिस्पेक्टिव लाइब्रेरी से। लेट्स से हम लोग आज एक लाइब्रेरी यूज़ करेंगे जिसमें बहुत सारी मूवीज़ की इंफॉर्मेशन है। तो आज इस तरीके से मैं आपको बताऊंगी इस प्रोजेक्ट को कि आप किसी भी मूवी की इंफॉर्मेशन, जैसे कि मूवी कब लॉन्च हुई थी और कौन से ईयर में आई थी, उसका मूवी का टाइटल क्या था, ठीक है, मूवी के कास्ट क्या थे, कौन कौन एक्टर्स कौन कौन एक्ट्रेसेस थी उस मूवी में, तो इस तरीके की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक किसी भी रिस्पेक्टिव मूवी की आप कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो पाइथन की हेल्प से, वो मैं आज आपको यहाँ पे इस रिस्पेक्टिव प्रोजेक्ट में बताऊंगी और इस रिस्पेक्टिव लाइव स्ट्रीम में हम लोग उसी को आज यहाँ पर देखेंगे, ठीक है। हाय ऋषभ, वेलकम टू दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम, होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। ग्रेट, ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आउट हियर and we can start on our particular project here itself, ठीक है। Now the IDE which I am using दैट इज़ द PyCharm IDE। सो IDE जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ रिसेंटली टुडे आज यहाँ पे, वो है मेरी PyCharm IDE। में अगर आप चाहो तो मैं इसको स्पेल भी कर सकती हूँ, PyCharm, PyCharm, ठीक है ना। इट डिपेंड्स, आप कोई भी IDE यूज़ कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। यू टेक इट योर विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड या फिर जुपिटर नोटबुक्स या PyCharm या सबलाइम, इवन आप यहाँ पे आज ऑनलाइन IDE भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, गूगल कोलैब वगैरह भी, ठीक है। क्योंकि आज का कोई GUI प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, वी डू नॉट हैव एनी GUI प्रोजेक्ट टुडे, सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू कैन यूज़ एनी ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन, आप ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोई भी IDEs को यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक है। निखिल IMDb API, यस परफेक्ट निखिल, IMDb हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे, वी आर गोना यूज़ अप द IMDb हियर टुडे, एब्सोल्युटली राइट। Hi Sagar, welcome to this live stream Sagar, hope you are doing well. Great. So first of all what are we going to do is that we will be installing one library, ठीक है। सबसे पहले हम एक लाइब्रेरी को इंस्टॉल करेंगे यहाँ पे, and with the installation of that particular library we will be able to write out our project of today, ठीक है। So मैं आपको यहाँ पे कमांड लिख के बता देती हूँ। So the command is gonna be pip install imdb py, ठीक है, ये हमारी कमांड होगी that you have to write it up. You can write up this particular command either onto your command prompt or onto your PowerShell, और अगर आप PyCharm या विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड यूज़ कर रहे हो तो इसमें ऑलरेडी खुद ही के टर्मिनल्स नीचे अटैच होते हैं, ठीक है। तो आप इस टर्मिनल में भी इस कमांड को लिख करके एंटर बटन जैसे प्रेस करोगे तो ये लाइब्रेरी आपके लिए इंस्टॉल हो जाएगी, ठीक है। क्योंकि जब भी आप लाइब्रेरीज को यूज़ करते हो इट्स वेरी मच नेसेसरी फॉर यू दैट यू आर इंस्टॉलिंग दैट लाइब्रेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट। आफ्टर इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ दैट लाइब्रेरी, उस लाइब्रेरी के इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद ही आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक है ना। अब here my library got installed, ठीक है, मेरी लाइब्रेरी यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल हो गई। नेक्स्ट I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna import that library, so import IMDb like this, ठीक है। IMDb क्या है? IMDb एक एक्चुअली बहुत ही फेमस डेटा सेट है दैट इज हैविंग द डेटा रिगार्डिंग योर मूवीज, ठीक है। इट इज एक्चुअली रिगार्डिंग योर movies लाइक द ईयर, किस ईयर में मूवी आई थी एक्चुअली, द उनके कास्ट क्या थे, एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस के नेम्स, और उसका टाइटल की करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. तो इस तरीके से बहुत सारा डेटा यू आर हैविंग इनसाइड दिस IMDb डेटा सेट. सो दैट इज कन्वर्टेड टू अ लाइब्रेरी इन पाइथन, और उसी लाइब्रेरी को हम लोग आज यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं. दैट इज योर IMDb लाइब्रेरी. ओके, Kushal. Hi Kushal, I'm doing very good Kushal. Thanks you so much for asking out. And Kushal, welcome to the live stream. Let me know how are you doing. Import IMDb. Okay, ये हमारे respective, this was a library which you wanted to import out here. So yeah, I did so. Okay. Now next what I'm gonna do, I can take this as a variable for me. That's A. Okay, A एक variable है that I am having it up here for me, and I'm gonna write it like IMDb respective में जो library है उसको मैं यहाँ पे use करने वाली हूँ, उसको मैं यहाँ पे लिखने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, so IMDb dot and IMDb like this. See, अब ये IMDb यहाँ पे that I have written now, that is one of the functions which you are having inside this IMDb library, right? So whenever you are having up any function inside any of your libraries, so there it is necessary कि पहले आप library का नाम लिखो, and after that you are gonna write up the name of the function. So here this IMDb जो मैंने लिख रखा है short IMDb, ये मेरा library का name है, and this capital IMD and small b ये मेरी particular function का name है. So this is the manner you write that out. और हम लोग हमें we always know that जब भी हमको कोई function लिखना होता है या we are having any function, so we put up the parentheses, ये small brackets हम लोग last में we add that out. Alright, so that is completely about. Great. Now up till this particular point it's done. Now next what I'll be wanting, आगे I'll be wanting that मैं user से input लूँ, right? I'll be wanting to take the input from the user. And what will be the input? Input will be the name of the movie for which I want all the information to be generated out, right? So I'm going to write up here like this, movie underscore name is equal to, I'm going to write up your input, and inside that I'm going to write up that enter the name of movie. Like this, I'm going to simply write that out, that enter a name of a movie, right? So this is what I'm gonna do here. Movie underscore name is equal to, input is a respective function which will help me and allow me to take the input from the user, right? And now when I am actually wanting to take the string input, okay, when I'm wanting to take the input which is in the string format. Now अब मेरा जो मूवी का नाम है that is in the words, that is in the characters, right? So that is automatically gonna be a string input, and whenever you want a string input from the user, there you do not mention the data type. ठीक है, automatically अगर आपने कोई data type mention नहीं किया है, so automatically it takes that as a string format. So I want this to be taken up into a string format, so that is the reason here I am not entering any of the respective names. Okay, Ansh ma'am is just as in this interview, so I'm doing taking and it is for first year. Ansh, actually what happens that sometimes Ansh it is asked out as well, like your some topics like your time complexities, okay, your searching algorithms, your sorting algorithms. So Ansh, these small portions, these small things are asked up into your interviews. Not too much, not in very detail, not your heaps or stacks or queues. No, not those things are used out or asked out, but rather than your sorting techniques and your time complexity, that is asked out. Okay. Hi Tanmay, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Just let me quickly have some water, and till the time you could just people can write it up till now. Okay, perfect. Let's go down. Fine, that's done. Now I'm gonna make up a one more variable, and that's gonna be movies for me. Right, so movies a dot. Now I'm gonna use up a respective function here, which is search movie. Okay, and inside that I'm gonna put up the double parenthesis, and inside that I'm gonna write str. That is my string type str. Under it's gonna be my movie name. So here I'm just mentioning and simply letting my program know. One second, yeah, I'm simply letting my program know that this respective search underscore movie function, inside that what I am passing, I am simply passing a string, and that's of my movie name. So whatever the name of the movie, I'm gonna put it up here. So for that, it can simply be a sort of a string is being done up there, it is being converted to the string, and then further it is actually searched for that respective movie. This is how this particular procedure works out. Okay, okay Ansh, most welcome for that. Now I'm gonna mention up some indexes as well. Okay, I'm gonna mention up some index for my respective movie, right? So index is equal to, it's gonna be movies, in the brackets gonna be like the 0 dot. I'm gonna get here get id. Now get id is a function which helps you to get the ids, simply sort of the indexes as well for all the things which you are putting it up here. Swastik, Didi, why to convert it to a string when it is by default a string? So Swastik, listen me out. Whenever you are using any respective variable name in a function, see here this search underscore movie is a function, right? And inside that you are writing up a movie name, that is your variable. So whenever you are using a variable name inside a function, always you have to specify that data type for that. Okay, so here search underscore movie was my function name, and movie underscore name is the variable name which I had passed inside the search underscore movie function. So whenever I am passing a variable name inside a function name, always it's my duty to specify the data type of that particular variable which I am passing inside the function. Okay Swastik, hope that's clear to you regarding why do we do this out. Okay, so yeah, we were talking about this index was done, so we were getting up the id for all of the things, and now I'm gonna use up a variable. Let's say it's movie, simply movie, that is the respective variable name, that is equal to, okay, most welcome Swastik, most welcome. So movie is equal to, it's like a dot, I'm gonna use up here get underscore movie. Get underscore movie is my respective variable, function name, and inside that I'm going to pass up a variable which is index. Okay, and now Swastik, here you can put up a cross question to me that get underscore movie is as well a function, and inside that as well I'm passing up a variable. So here why I am not mentioning up the data type, like I should mention int index, right? But answer for this question of yours is Swastik, that whenever you are taking any input from the user, right, and inside that input for the user, whenever you're taking any input from the user and that variable, right, that variable you are passing inside a function, then you have to mention the data type, right? So if you are not using the variable name, so if you're not using the variable into which the input is not taken by the user, then you do not have to write the data type before the variable name. So this is how it actually works out. Okay, Asifa. Ma'am, can you please, ma'am, can you make a separate video for modules in Python in details, please? Okay, yeah, sure, Asifa. Uh, Actually, once I had already made in the 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 modules, I guess. You can, Asifa, you are already having up the detailed videos on NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly onto my channel. Already you are having for these libraries. And Asifa, if you're wanting it for like time module, random module like these, so yeah, that I would for sure cover it into my this particular series which is going on, which is Python for machine learning. Okay, so Asifa, you can just stay tuned there, and into that particular series only you will get all of these particular topics, which is your all the modules in Python. Okay, Kushal, colon equal to, you know this operator in Python? Kushal, it's a type of a different operator which we have up here into the Python. It's not used in simply as we use up all of these respective operators, right? It means like it is used in whenever you want to have some assigning of the values and the things, but it's not used like that much generally. So question, what I could do is that I could simply make up a separate video onto this particular operator, and soon you will get that onto my channel. Okay, okay, Swastik, fine. So here we are getting up the movie index, right? So that we are using get underscore movie function, and we are simply trying to use the index variable inside this particular function. Now up till here I just wanted to ask it out from you all that if you have any questions, so please you can put that down questions here in the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer those questions for you. If there are any questions, so yeah, you can please put down those particular questions from me here. My modules like time modules, OS module, SQLite, etc, etc. Okay, sure, Asifa. Under this particular currently going series as well, which is Python for machine learning, Asifa, into that only I would put up the videos, okay, regarding to this. Index is equal to movie. So that name of my movie is gonna be my very first index, and indexing always starts from the number which is 0. So at the 0th index I will be having up the name of my movie. It's like that, Swastik. Okay, and yeah, here I am having up a complete Python course of 10 hours which I had recently put out a video recently, I guess just 1 week before. So if you, it's a complete one shot video, so you people can just watch out this particular video as yes, it's okay. Just give me a second. Okay, fine. Great, let's proceed further here. And okay, fine, Asifa. Nikhil, actually I just told you now that today at my end there was some network issues because of heavy rain and storm. So just because of that, today I'm not having the access to my Wi-Fi, so I'm simply using up my phone internet, and there's a lot of glitch it happens when you are using your phone internet connection and in doing the live stream. So because in live streams we share the screen, we have the camera, so Nikhil, because of that it happens out. So sorry, I'm really very sorry for the inconvenience, Nikhil, which is caused today. I will just try to make sure that from next time everything is going and working fine. Okay, okay, Asif, most welcome. Coding system, I'm results so useful. Please try to upload multiple live streams daily. I love your teaching style. Please try to be consistent. Okay, sure. Coding Siksha, sure. I'm very soon planning to do the live streams on the daily basis, and hope that starts very soon. And I'm really happy to see that you are enjoying the videos, you find out the videos useful, and these are the things which really motivate me a lot to make much more useful content for you. So thank you so much, Coding Siksha, for that. Kushal, my list is this is if colon list, what will be the answer in this case? Okay, Kushal, actually this can't be explained like this particular manner because it's not that much easy for you to get it on. So Kushal, what I would do is that I will just prepare a separate video onto this, might be in a very coming early days. So there I will just explain you about all the things in a detailed manner, okay? Prince, what are you building? Prince, we are making up a Python project which will help you to extract all the information of any respective movie. Okay, hi Kavadhara, welcome to this particular live stream. I hope you are doing very well today. Great, this movie is done. Right, and now moving forward, I'm gonna move up with the movie underscore title as my variable name. Okay, so movie underscore title. Now what I want, I first of all want the title of my movie. So that I'm simply writing that movie and then the title. Movie is a respective variable which will actually help me to extract all the informations of the particular movie, whatever we are gonna search out for. Right. So into that respective case. Okay. Next it is movie underscore year as my variable. So for that as well, I'm gonna do movie and put up the brackets. I'm gonna do up here like that year. Okay, and third one is gonna be my movie underscore cast. So for that, I'm gonna write up here movie, again the bracket, and here goes my cast. Right. So like this, you can just simply put up more and more features, more and more information about your movie, whatever you are actually finding in for. Right away for me, I had only put it up the title, the year, and the cast. Okay. Right. Let me just now read up some chart here. Yeah, Kava. We're just simply writing up the program in the Python programming language. Kushal, views on iNeuron. Kushal, iNeuron, you're asking about that respective, I guess, a platform which provides the courses, right? Kushal, that one you're asking about, right? Ayush, I'm trying to get into the field of data science. I'm a mechanical engineer who worked in sales before. What sort of project should I do that aligns with my past work experience? Ayush, I'm trying to field. Okay, Irish, first of all, I'm really very happy to see that after being a person who was a mechanical engineering background, you are trying to jump into this particular field, come up here. So I really appreciate that, Ayush. First of all, for you, that's really appreciable. Secondly, Ayush, what you can do, you can work over the sales data for any company, right? For all the companies, even for your company as well, into which you might be working previously, or currently you're working as well. So might in that particular one, you must be having up some sales data, right? That what was the sales about for this product in this day, or for that product in this day, or month wise you're having, even you have the year wise sales as well, right, Ayush? So you can just try to analyze that sort of data which is related to your sales, about the selling of the products, about the profit which you are gaining, about the loss which you are gaining in there. So based upon that, you can try to make up some projects for you there in the field of the data science, and that would actually be helpful, which you can add up into your resume, and that will be the sort of projects which will really get aligned by your previous work which you are doing up here, right? So Ayush, you can go ahead with that. Okay. Kushal, yes. Okay, Kushal, see, all of the platforms, what are the platforms we are having up here, Kushal? And yes, that's all of the platforms are providing up knowledgeable content for you, right? So I cannot comment on any one of the respective particular platform about that particular, or either if I had no, I even hadn't gone that particular platform personally up till now as well, because I am an instructor at Udemy, so I know about that. I'm a subject matter expert at Upgrad, so I know about that as well. Even I'm a video content creator at Great Learning and Geeks for Geeks about these platforms. So I know about all of those in a personal manner as well, that how are those all the platforms, and about those things. But yeah, Kushal, I haven't gone through this platform up till now, so I'm not very much aware. But yeah, for sure, Kushal, it's one of the very booming and very ongoing platform where you just learn about the data science and the stuff. So yeah, Kushal, it might be good only, right? Then only it is right away. Many learners are moving in that particular site and going through that courses. So it's about just that about Kushal, okay? Ayush, thank you, ma'am, which is helping me a lot in my learning process. Okay, most welcome, Ayush, most welcome. I'm really happy to see that out. Nikhil, ma'am, do you know Django Flask? I'm stuck with Django server. Nikhil, yes, I'm a person who is aware with the technologies about like these. So yeah, Nikhil, you can just like put up your message either onto my any of the recent videos, or you can just either put it onto my LinkedIn as well, and I would help you out. Okay, great, guys. Let's proceed on here further with the title, year, and cast we have done. And now I'm gonna put up the commas between the list of the cast, because there can be many casts there, like actors, actresses, directors, producers, everyone will be there inside this particular cast section, right? So I have to separate all of those by the comma. So I'm gonna put up like this comma dot. I'm gonna use up the join function. So join function we simply use in for joining or separating anything like that, right? Map, and then here goes my string, that's my string format, and here goes my movie underscore cast. So movie cast will be in the string format, and that I am separating through the commas here, right? Okay. So Ansh, ma'am, is it true that there are no jobs for freshers in data science? No, Ansh, it's not actually true. Okay. And see, data science is one of the roles which you are having at a very it is a very high position role, right? And so directly it might happen that many a times the freshers are not getting directly roles into the data science, but Ansh, there are some roles like the data analyst, right? So in that role of data analyst, generally the freshers are taken, and then they work for 2-3 years 4 years in the data analyst field, and then after that they can simply go ahead for the data science field. Yes, and many times it happens that directly applying as a fresher in data science field might not be one which is like which that particular company is looking for. But yeah, in the data analyst it's not that much, like it's completely fine with the data analyst if those are freshers as well. And you know, the course, the material which you study for the data analyst, that is less than the data science. So if you're preparing for the data science, so automatically you get prepared for the data analyst. So there is no such harm for applying in that respective role as well. Okay, so it's about that manner. Great. And now at last I'm going to print up the title, the year, and the cast of the movie. So I'm going to simply write that title of the movie is, and I could put up a comma, and you can use my variable which is movie underscore title. Right. Saurabh, just let me very quickly write up this particular two statements, and then I'm gonna answer your question. Okay, print, and here we are having year of the movie is, like that. Okay, colon, and getting down comma, and here is my movie underscore year. Moving one more step down, here I'm having my print statement, and that's like my full cast package in a sort of in a data science. But in that case, sort of, I would say that if you are an experienced person, because generally it's a little bit of difficult for the companies to hire a person as a fresher in a data science. So generally they hire for the role of the data analyst, right, or a business analyst role. So companies hire in these particular roles for the first, and after 3 to 4 years of experience you get move on to the data scientist role, right? So yeah, sort of it's around you can take it around 15 to 20, right? Okay, if you're an experienced person of 4 to 5 years previously into this data analyst or business analyst field, so yeah, 15 to 20 can be a good amount, can be an average amount which you can expect into this particular data science field. Okay, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि data science overhyped है मैम. No, sort of it's not like that. It's not like that, but it's actually that in data science, many things are being involved, right? At some time, deep learning is as well there. At some time, machine learning is there. At some time, AI is as well included in your data science. So that is the reason that in the data science perspective role, people are looking for a little bit of experienced persons who have already worked into this particular field. So that is the reason only, sort of it's like that particular. Okay, great. So this particular project program is written. Let me just very quickly run on this for you people here, and let's check on like how are we getting out our output, and how are we simply like checking out our output here. Okay, here, and I'm going to click on run. So it will just actually take up some time in the running. Okay, enter the name of a movie. Let's say I'm gonna put up any name. It's Three Idiots. I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, actually I'm a person who doesn't watch out too much of movies, so I generally know 2-3 names only. Okay, not too much I'm aware of. Right, so just check it out over here. For the very first, the title of the movie is Three Idiots. The year of the movie is 2009. It is the year in which it was released out. And the first full cast of the movie is like the name is Amir Khan. This person is Madhavan, I guess. Okay, Sharman Joshi. Okay, Kareena Kapoor. Right, like this you get in the information regarding any of the respective movie whatsoever you are actually trying to figure it out, right? That's the. And if you do not want the ID, so you can simply remove up this get ID function. So you will not get in the IDs for the respective cast which are being the name for the cast which are being published up there. So you can simply remove up this particular one at your end. Right, so I hope I am pretty much clear with all of these respective things whatsoever I have told you people here regarding this respective project of today, where with the help of a dataset library, that is your IMDb, you extracted some data, and then further you simply try to with the extracting of that data, try to extract some simple parts of that, and then try to simply figure out and make up a project onto that. So I hope you are pretty much clear with all of these things whatever I have delivered up here so far with you people. So if you have any questions, so yeah, please you can put that down questions to me here in the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer out those questions for you people. And up till that time, let me just very quickly let you know that Monday, Tuesday, sorry, yeah, no, not Monday, I'm sorry. Yeah, on Mondays we are having up a very special videos which come on every Monday. Previous we were having up some video, and previously one as well we were having which internship to do for you people, right? That paid or unpaid, which type of internships to do, right? And now the day after tomorrow, a very special video is coming for you, that what are the different 7 ways into which you can earn money into your early 20s. ऐसे क्या तरीके हैं, 7 तरीके हैं जिनसे कि आप अपने early 20 की एज में आप अर्निंग अपनी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो ये respective video is coming this Monday, that is on 23rd, day after tomorrow, at 10 a.m. sharp, no not 10, at 9 sharp in the morning. So you can just simply stay tuned onto the channel and just watch out that respective video. Might it can help you out to gain some knowledge and start your earning as well as your early 20s. Might there can be any skill which actually help you to start this new journey of yours, right? So that's the idea. Swastik map. Swastik map is a function whenever you want to map up something, means whenever you want to join something, whenever you want to collaborate something in that respective manner, Swastik you try to use in your map function. Okay. Saurabh, thank you so much, Saurabh, for that. Nikhil, ma'am, before you go, I want to tell you something. Please do live tomorrow. Tomorrow as well live you want. um okay, Nikhil, let me plan it out, not tomorrow, but yeah, let me plan it, and let's hope that from next Sunday as well we do some live streams. Okay, let me plan it. Let me get up some time on Sundays as well to do the live streams, and then let's connect on Sundays as well. Might be next Sunday or next to next Sunday. Okay, sure, we will connect out. I know that you people really want out much more live streams from my side, and yeah, sure, that will be done in a very short while. I'm just simply considering, and I'm really getting up a lot of requests for doing the live streams daily, even not daily, but yeah, some 2-3 days, so yeah, I'm for sure gonna do that. Okay, don't worry. Okay, fine guys, so yeah, any other questions do we have, or we can close this live stream for today? And yeah, I was very happy that you people had joined in this live stream. You people came up here, and I really enjoyed up this today's live stream because it was very full of questions, and I really like replying to these types of questions which you people put up here for me. So yeah, that was one of the very interesting live streams for me, and thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining this live stream today. Now I will see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the night, with again coding nights with Shambhavi. Okay, so till then, thank you everyone. Take care further, and even have a nice week. And everyone, just very quickly go ahead and do like this particular live stream, and do subscribe out the channel as well if you haven't subscribed this out, so that, and even press the bell notification so that you do not miss out any updates from this channel. Okay, most welcome Swastik, most welcome, and thank you so much for this. Yeah, very good night Nikhil, very good night. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining in. Bye bye everyone, take care, have a nice week ahead. Bye bye everyone.